Now let us learn how to disable implicit default feature import. Here on the left side funlibs cargo.toml and the right side chapter 3 projects cargo.toml. In chapter 3 projects cargo.toml, in dependency funlib section, if we specify or not specify the default features, it will automatically imported. If we don't want to use default features means set an option default features to false. See, now default features are disabled and the usage of function add and sub or shows error. If we set default features to true means the error gone. Now run the project. It works fine. Now we will learn about creating feature by setting optional flag to true and without creating features section in cargo.toml. For that I create another one library control flow within the chapter 3 project using the command cargo new control flow --lib. It creates a library parallel to funlib library and src folder of chapter 3 project. Now let me clean lib.rs of control flow and create a function square with single parameter. Now kindly note the line. I add funlib library as a dependency of control flow library, and this is the another way of adding dependency. Here I don't want the default features from funlib library, so I set false to default features flag and import only feature mul so that I can use only function mul. Now I set another one flag optional to true in the dependency of funlib. This flag will create feature named funlib in control flow library. Now feature funlib is created and I configure function square with feature funlib. See, the library function has features section with 4 feature, and the library control flow has no feature section but feature defined using optional flag in dependency. And now I add control flow library as a dependency of chapter 3 project, and here I use feature funlib. Now kindly go through the project structure we have. Now I call square function from control flow library that internally uses funlib's mul function. If I command the funlib feature in dependency control flow, it immediately the square function shows error. Now run the project and see the result. We have got it. Kindly go through all section and code with me and get clear. Thank you.